Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about full forms of English words. DP, display picture. GB, gigabytes. SMS, short message service. USB, universal serial bus. CD, compact disc. SIM, subscriber identity mobile. IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity. GPS, Global Positioning System. T, taste and energy emitted. ROM, read-only memory. LCD, liquid crystal display. FIR, First Information Report. EAT, energy and taste. Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.